Alright, testing 1, 2. I'm trying out my GoPro, my GoPro 3, GoPro Hero 3 on an external microphone because the internal microphone was bullshit and it sounded terrible. So I'm testing it out on the external microphone that I just bought today and it arrived in the mail, and I'm giving y'all a demonstration of it, and we're going to see how that works in just a second. Alright, testing 1, 2. I'm going to try this out again. I'm going to try to see if my GoPro Hero 3 will work with an external microphone and sound better and not hear all that funny noise and stuff that I was hearing, and see how that works on my GoPro Hero 3. I'm testing it out right now, and hopefully I get a better result than I got before and it will work, or I'm going to be very, very disappointed. So I'm going to give it about 41 seconds and we're going to see what happens with the GoPro Hero 3 external microphone. You ready? Alright. Alright, this time I don't have no external microphone hooked up at all. Went back to plain Jane, what I had before, without nothing. No external microphone. And we'll see how it sounds right now. I'm disappointed because the external microphone that I bought, which is this external microphone right here, it does not work. See that? I don't know what it's called or whatever it is, but it doesn't work at all. It's crap. Well, this isn't crap. The GoPro Hero 3 internal whatever's inside internally is crap. You know, this probably works. You know, this basically, you take this off and you plug this part into the GoPro, and then you put this on top like so, and it moves and all this stuff. You push it down. This probably works, but the inside of the GoPro 3 doesn't work as far as the internal whatever's inside of it that records the audio. So I'm going to get an external microphone, this or this, and I'll either just talk and let it go through here, speaker, or I'll just plug a microphone in right there. Boom. That's all I can say about that. You get the picture. I'm out.